Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Subaru Forester key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot or notch inside the key fob's opening. This is where we'll begin the process of carefully separating the two halves of the fob to access the battery compartment. It's a simple first step. Now that the emergency key is out, take a small, flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the tip into the notch you just revealed. With a gentle twisting motion, begin to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Remember to apply steady, light pressure. You'll hear a slight click as the clips release. Avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic casing or internal components. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music or getting answers while you work on projects like this. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. It's usually a CR2032. Take note of its orientation before removal. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Double-check the orientation before closing the fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.